Vijay from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone 14. This is iPhone 14 Plus, could be iPhone 14, 14 Pro, Pro Max or any other version of Apple phone you have. So whenever you have a new Apple Watch, when you start, you'll see this option, connect with your phone in your watch. So in this case, here you see the Apple Watch is Unpair. In case if you don't see that, close this one. You have to search this watch application in case if you don't see anything. Hit this one. You see start pairing. Good evening. So you hit start pairing your watch. Okay. Set up for myself and set up for family members. So you can set up Apple Watch, different Apple Watch with your phone. I hit set up for myself. In this one, you have to scan now. So you have to scan. This is key. Now I leave here. You can see here I have two options: restore from backup or set up as a new Apple Watch. I have different Apple Watch with this phone, so I want to use as the old Apple Watch or new, whatever you like. Hit that option, restore from backup. You see my old Apple Watch, Harry's Apple Watch. I have two versions here. I hit this one or hit as a new one, hit continue. Now you have to wait till it will connect with your Apple ID and all the information. You have to know your Apple ID. You have to know your password. If you don't know your Apple ID and password, most probably you can't connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone. At the moment we get some information, term and condition, hit agree. Put your Apple ID here. After putting your Apple ID and password, hit next button. Share with Apple, don't share. I hit don't share analytic information. Create a password. I don't want to create any password. Don't add password. Don't use password. Hit OK button. I don't want to do anything. I hit continue button. Hit continue one more time. Get to know is done. And here you can see my Apple Watch is already loading, so it should have loaded all totally. So in this case you may need to wait long time. It could be 10-20 minutes because they will upload all the information, latest application to your Apple Watch. So after that you can use your Apple Watch. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.